Hello students. So yesterday we have done with our solved examples given on page number 76. Now today we are going to start our practice set 35. Okay. So let us read question number 1 of practice set 35. At a rate of 10% per annum, what would be the interest for 1 year on rupees 6,000? Okay. See carefully, in this question they have given you the rate of interest are as 10 PCPA, that is 10% per annum, and they have given you the time period. Okay. See, 1 year on rupees 6,000 means here rupees 6,000 is the principal amount and 1 year is the time taken. Okay. We have to find out the amount of interest, okay, which would be charged on rupees 6,000. So first they have given you principal amount, that is P, rupees 6,000. Then rate of interest, R, 10 PCPA, that is 10% per annum, and time T, 1 year. We have to find out the interest. So interest, that is I, is equal to formula PRT upon 100. 6,000 multiplied by rate of interest 10 into 1 year upon 100. 0 0 gone. Then 60 into 10 into 1, rupees 600. So the interest charged on the principal amount 6,000 for 1 year at the rate of 10% per annum is rupees 600. Okay. Next. Mahesh deposited rupees 8,650 in a bank at a rate of 6% per annum. How much money will he get at the end of the year in all? Okay. So Mahesh deposited rupees 8,650 in his bank. Okay. So here principal amount is rupees 8,650. So you can write the statement: amount deposited in a bank, that is P, rupees 8,650. Okay. Then at a rate of rupees 6% per annum means rate of interest, that is I, is 6 PCPA. Okay. How much money will he get at the end of the year in all? Means here also the time period is 1 year. Okay. T. We have to first see, in this question we have to find out the total money which he will get and at the end of the year. Okay, so first we have to find out the interest. Interest is equal to PRT upon 100, 8650 into 6 into 1 upon 100. 0 0 gone. 2 3s are 2 5s are. Now we have to divide this 865 by 5. 5 ones are 5, 7s are 35, 1, 3s are 15, 173. 173 into 3, 9, 1, 5. So interest is rupees 519. Now we have to find out the total money which he will receive at the end of the year after depositing 8,650 rupees. So total money received by Mahesh is the money which he deposited, 8650 plus interest. So rupees 9,169. Okay. So Mr. Mahesh will receive rupees 9,169 at the end of the year. Okay. Along with the interest. I hope you might have understood. Next one. Ahmed Chacha borrowed rupees 25,000 at 12% per annum for a year. What amount will he have to return to the bank at the end of the year? Now here in this question, Ahmed Chacha borrowed. In the previous question, Mr. Mahesh has deposited the amount. Okay. In this question, Ahmed Chacha borrowed rupees 25,000. Okay. So here principal amount means the amount borrowed by amount borrowed from a bank. Rupees 25,000. Rate of interest, that is R. Here amount borrowed from a bank means it is a principal amount. Here also the time taken is 1 year. T. So we have to find out the total amount which he will have to return to the bank. So he will return the amount along with interest, the amount which he had borrowed from the bank and the interest which bank will charge on this 25,000. Okay. According to this 12% per annum, this given rate of interest. So I is equal to, first we have to find out interest. PRT upon 100. 25,000 into 12 into 1 upon 100. 0 0 cut. So 250 into 12 into 1. So rupees 3000 is the interest which is charged by the bank as per this 12% per annum. Now the total amount he will return to the bank. Rupees 25,000 plus this interest, rupees 3,000, 28,000. So rupees 28,000 is the amount which he should return to the bank after 1 year, at the end of the year. Okay. Next one. Last one. Kisan Rao wanted to make a pond in his field. He borrowed rupees 35,250 from a bank at an interest rate of 6% per annum. How much interest will he have to pay to the bank at the end of the year? Okay, now he borrowed rupees 35,250 for making a pond in his field. So amount borrowed from a bank, 35,250. Rate of interest given 6% per annum. And here also the time taken is 1 year. Okay. We have to find the interest which bank will charge. Okay. The interest which he have to pay to the bank. Okay. So interest I is equal to PRT upon 100. 35,250 into 6 into 1 upon 100. 0 0 gone. 35 0 gone. 2 3s are 2 5s are. Okay, you have to divide this. 5 1s are, then 5 7s are 35, then 5 zeros are 0, 5 5s are 25. Now 705 multiplied by 3, 15, 1, 21. So the interest which Kisan Rao have to pay to the bank is rupees 2,115. Okay, understood? So in this way we have completed our practice set 35. Okay, so I hope you might have understood. You all have understood this practice set and this lesson. Okay, this is a very simple lesson. Just we need to understand that which is principal, what is interest rate, what is interest, okay, what is the time taken, all these things. Okay, we have to just apply here the formula of calculation of interest. Okay, so just practice these four sums for your homework today. Okay, in the next lecture we will start our next chapter, which is triangles and properties of triangles. Okay, so we'll meet in the next lecture. Till that, stay safe, stay healthy, and take care. Thank you.